Turn down that. Hey, you guys, we're watching Invisible City. You need to go watch Invisible City.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun.
Hi, I'm Shauna.
And I'm Scott.
And we are Jan's Road Tripping.
And we are tripping through the future.
You guys, so it's the next day. Still no chairs. We looked even again. So thank you, Randy from Gypsy Trails, to help me out too. So, and then we made some tumblers too. So if you
finally got my computer to work.
Yep, and it's up and running.
So if y'all need tumblers, look us up, send us a message, and we'll pop them out.
Exactly, and you can pick any design you want. We have a lot to pick from. Your name on them, not your name on them. So anyhow, that's what today is. And today is Thursday? Yes, today's Thursday, guys.
Let me see.
Today is Thursday.
Yep, Thursday, January 25th.
Okay, we're going to the grocery store that we go to, you guys. Coyote Fresh in Quartsite. Listening to music. Who do we have in the house? Randy from
Gypsy Trails, howdy gents.
It's real life from the desert, you guys.
Hey y'all, what's going on?
It's windy, and the breeze is kind of cool, but it's still really beautiful. We're just sitting here chilling out. I need to go and make my potatoes now and go clean them.
Hey guys, Shauna just kind of disappeared on me. I'm cooking potatoes and meat for the taco potato bar, but I'm gonna go see what the heck she's. What the hell are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, buffet kits. Buffet kits.
What the hell's a buffet kit? For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny.
I'll show you.
You got 9 of them?
Get a paper towel, and next time you come, here's your fork, your spoon, your knife, and then your container, and
With a lid.
With a lid, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep, see the lids? Yep, there's
and my
the
hands
lid.
are clean. Trust me, I was washing the potatoes. So we're gonna have a buffet tonight, and then we have buffet kits.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight.
I love you. Are you gonna sit and watch? You sitting and watching? You're such a good girl. Do you want to go to the bonfire tonight and go see Jim? You want to go see Jim? Oh my God, see that? Oh my gosh. America! No, he's not there yet, okay? Later, okay? Oh my God, how cute was that? We'll go see Jim later, okay? Okay, Mary, come here. We'll go see Jim later, okay? I promise. Oh my God, how cute is that? She's looking for you. Oh, isn't that so cute? Are you being polite? Are you being polite? Say yes or no. Are you being polite? Are you being, nope. Oh, thank you. That means that when she hits me with her paw, that means that she wants more. Watch. Okay, America, sit. Sit. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Would you like to go get a treat? Say yes. What do I got? Are you dancing? Are you gonna dance? You gonna dance? Someone gave me this because their dog didn't like it, so she absolutely loves it. Okay. What do you do when you're polite? Be polite. Be very polite. Be polite. Oh, there you go. Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh, she's like, Mama, that's so good. Be polite.
dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you.
I have a new hobby now, you guys.
I am running for you.
I have buffet potluck kits, napkin, fork, spoon, and knife. Reusable, reusable. You can wash it and just replace the napkin. You guys, we're getting the potatoes ready. I made some buffet kits. Cheese, taco meat, sour cream, ranch.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
It's gonna fancy me.
Yep, I think it's nice.
You guys, leave a comment down below what you think of this. So it's
Real
taco
nice.
meat, one potato, smashed up, sour cream, tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add ranch on top of mine, on my side. So let's check it out, and then we'll take a bite. So just add a little bit of ranch on this side.
You guys, should I give her the left or the right? Watch this. So
Doesn't matter.
this is Shauna's side.
Yep, there we go.
Bam! The big S for Super Shauna.
Okay, so now you have to hold it. You guys, this is like nachos too.
Let me get my fork.
This is potato nachos, I think.
Oh my
Let's
gosh.
call this not lasagna.
Oh my
It's-
gosh.
It's potato nachos.
Potato nachos.
Okay, let's go. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Wow.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. This is delicious,
You guys.
Oh, this is the
Wow.
bomb. This is great for leftovers.
Nothing like it.
Oh my God.
Hey.
We're enjoying our food out in the desert.
Yep. This is easy. It's cheap, and
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, man.
And we got enough to last us.
Yep. This is like 3 meals.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Let me get a bite of that. Come on.
Mm.
I'm trying to hold the phone, you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Oh yeah. Look at that. You got
Oh
some.
yeah.
You got some hamburger,
Mm-hmm.
tomato. Oh my
Oh my
God.
God. And then on the back side, what do you get?
On the back side, you get a little bit of that taco. You get a little bit of taco flavor. On the front side, you get the sour
The-
cream and tomato, the
And
fresh tomato.
Yeah, the tomato on the front side.
Yeah.
Me too.
Tell me what you're getting. What are you getting? What do you get on the first, on the end? When you put it in, what do you get? What you got?
Immediately, I get the tomato.
Oh my gosh, that's what I get.
Uh-huh. And then,
What about the middle? What about when you're chewing it up and you're
then
putting it side
all
to
of a sudden,
side?
you get the spice. Mm.
Oh
Little
yeah,
spice,
the
little
taco
heat,
meat. Yep.
Little heat.
And then you
you
feel
get-
then you feel the skin of the
And then I
potato,
get
the
sour
cheese.
cream, and the cheese,
Mhm.
and the ranch.
Oh my gosh. I'm telling you what, you guys.
This is the bomb.
I'm telling you what. This right here,
Wait till you see what we're gonna make tomorrow.
this is what you call living on a budget. How cheap are potatoes? They're cheap.
Yeah.
The most expensive
And this-
thing is the hamburger meat.
We probably should have made 2 helpings of this and done them for bowl, cause
I don't care if it gets ranch on mine. I don't care.
okay. But
I'm not picky.
we'll feed it to
I'll
America
prove
too.
it. Let's see.
America's gonna get some too.
You guys? Hey, I forgot we were filming. Okay. I didn't really. We're going to sign off because this is some good stuff. Is it on me? I can't tell. So this is some good stuff, I'm telling you.
What?
Hold on, I'm going to turn the screen around. Okay.
Try it one more time.
Now, oh, damn, what do we do? All right, here we go. Try it one more time. So what you got?
Tomato. We got them. Holding the spices.
Yeah.
Oh, here they come. Juicy. This is potato, taco, potato, what is it? Potato nachos.
Potato nachos. Let's name it that. The JRT
Potato nachos.
Potato nachos.
Yeah.
They're mine, nachos. All right, guys. Hey, I want to eat some more of this stuff, so we will see you soon. Good
Enjoy
night
yourself.
tonight. Good
See you
night.
in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.